Hi, this is the basic Rashi chart of the person, and we are going to just analyze the longevity of the person because I find one kickoff point in the horoscope, that is the Lord of Lagna is in the fourth house, that is, Moon is in the fourth house, Lagnadipati Moon is in the fourth house. So, whenever Lagnadipati is in the fourth house, then immediately the astrologer has to check the position of the Lord of eighth house. This is the eighth house. Okay, the eighth house Lord Saturn is in the 11th house. This is bad because whenever Lord of Lagna is in the fourth house, the Lord of eighth should be either in Kendra or Trikona. That means 1 4 7 10 5 9 houses, but here it is in the 11th house. So this has tremendously decreased the longevity of the native. And the second thing what the astrologer has to check, this is a basic points. Okay, what astrologer has to check is the position relationship between the Lord of Lagna and the 8th. So they should not be in 6 by 8 or 2 by 12 relationship. Here they are in 6 by 8. So when you count from moon, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there is 6 by 8 relationship. So the relationship between the Lord of Lagna and 8 should not be in 6 by 8 or 2 by 12. Here it is in 6 by 8, and the Lord of Lagna is in the 4th, and the Lord of 8th is in the 11th house. So this has decreased the longevity of the person. In fact, this person has died before his 60th birthday. Okay, so it was due to an heart attack, and it was not an accidental death. So this person should have been, recommended to do the body checkup and cardiovascular health. He should have included a lot of omega-3 fatty acids in his diet, because all these things are the things, when you find this kind of horoscope in babies, then that babies has to be very taken care of from their childhood itself. They has to give a lot of care to their, they have to be more health conscious. Such person should be more health conscious. That is what I mean. And these are the permanent position of planets in the horoscope. Okay, so these are not going to change, and there is no meaning in saying that this person will die before 60th year or like that to an individual. He has to give him recommendation, like he has to take care of his health more care, he has to do regular exercise, he has to diet, and he has to do dana dharma also. These are the things which can increase the longevity of the native. And the second type of death is actually the accidental death, which cannot is beyond our control. But still, the prayers and danas and might give more importance to the charity. If you can save a life of a person, then in return, you will get that karma effect, and your life also will be saved. Because this from my life experience I am saying. So I too have a lot of bad combinations in my horoscope, but with regard to the life and all these things, and but I have been escaped from all these things because of my charity, and because whatever you do, you should do it very secretly and without expecting anything in return. So that's why when you give food to dogs, you should give food to the street dogs, because when you give something to the street dogs, you cannot expect anything in return. So when you give some food, or when you do some something to your pet dogs, and you are expecting something from return. Maybe it can be the love from your pets, or it can be something return. So when you do something, you should do it without expectation. That's why give to the street dogs, bread to the street dogs, help others, whatever you can do. Even the videos which I am uploading, in fact, is not for any Google ads, or not for any, what do you mean, uh, not to get any monetary benefit out from it. It's just to expand my wisdom and knowledge and share with others, and somebody should get help from my knowledge. And these are the basic things, not for any Google ads, or not for getting any subscribers, not for getting anything at all. So this I'm doing it as a charity, or I'm not saying it as a charity, just to help others. And because this is the way how I can help others. I can help others through my wisdom and knowledge. Okay, this is my vision, and that's all for now. Thank you.